Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to create a travel blog WordPress website in just few easy steps. In today's video, we will be showing you how to create a stunning travel blog website using the Responsive Starter Templates WordPress plugin. So before we begin, let's quickly introduce the plugin. Responsive Starter Templates is a powerful WordPress plugin that offers over 100 pre-designed website templates that can be easily imported to your website. These templates are built using both Elementor and Gutenberg, ensuring flexibility and ease of use. The best part? Just that. The plugin is easy to use, even for beginners. So let's get started. Step 1. Installing the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. The first step is to install and activate the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. You can do this by going to the Plugins section on your WordPress dashboard and then search for Responsive Starter Templates. And then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. Great! Now that we have installed the plugin, let's move on to the next step, which is importing a starter template. Now to import a template, simply go to the Responsive Templates and you will see a variety of pre-designed templates that are categorized based on the type of blog you have. So for this video, we'll be choosing the travel blog template. Click on the template and then click on the import site button. The plugin will start importing the template to your website. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the template. Once the import is complete, click on the Launch Site button, and you will be redirected to the page where you can customize the template. So now that we have imported the template, let's customize it. Moving ahead to the very fun step, step 4, customizing your website. Now, to customize the imported template, you just have to click on the button that says Edit with Elementor at the very top. This will take you to the editing section of Elementor, where you can change absolutely every aspect of your template, including texts to images, buttons, fonts, colors, backgrounds, you name it. So, I'm just going to show you how to do a few of them. Let's say that we want to change the text here. It says, Live memories with me. Let's change this to The whole world awaits. Now, to do so, you just have to click on the text. It'll open a window on the left hand side of your screen where you can see the text in it. And to change it, you just have to change it. So, the whole world awaits. And I changed the text. Let's change a few elements. Let's say that we want to change this picture. So I'm going to click on this picture and it's going to open another window on the left hand side of my screen where you can see the picture. Click on that and it'll open another window. This will give you two options. You can either import pictures from your uploaded files where you've already downloaded the pictures that you require and that have been saved on your desktop, or you can online surf the pictures that you require from Media Library. So in this case, I'm going to upload a picture that I've already downloaded. So I'm going to select files. I'm going to select the location where I've downloaded the picture. And I'm going to click open. It'll just take a few seconds to import the picture. Once it's done, you just have to select Insert Media. And there, your picture will be changed. So let's change the text on this button now. So as you can see, the text reads read more. Let's change it to learn more. That's it. Now, likewise, you can change absolutely every aspect of this template. You can change these images, you can change the text, the headlines, the headings, you can change the testimonials, you can change your contact information, you can also include your socials. All you have to do is just include your link to all your respective socials and it'll create a symbol either in your header or your footer, wherever you like it. So that's how you edit your imported layout. Now, once you're satisfied with all the changes that you've made, you just have to select on Save Draft, which is on the left hand side of your screen. You can see an arrow of a color green, and you can just click Save Draft, and it'll save all of your changes that you've made. Now, if you want to preview all of those changes, there's a button right next to the update button that looks like an eye. Click on that. It will open another window where you can preview all the changes that you've made. As you can see, the changes that I've made, the whole world awaits. The picture, the button, and that's about it. Happy editing, you guys. As you can see, the Responsive Starter Templates plugin is a powerful tool that can help you create a stunning travel blog website in no time. With over 100 templates to choose from, the plugin makes the process of creating a website easy and stress-free. So if you're looking to create a professional business website or a travel blog, I highly recommend you try the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to create a travel blog WordPress website in just few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Until next time, stay safe and be happy.